Greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's Hadrian here. Welcome to a new video. How's everyone doing today? I hope you guys are all doing fantastic. I'm here today with an unboxing, which I am really excited about. But first of all, if you guys love thrifting, thrift hauls, vlogs, all that kind of fun stuff, do not forget to subscribe to the little bell button to be notified when new videos. You go up and you're on Instagram. It's Hadrian, just like it's spelled here. Check out my shop at itsHadrian.com to see whatever for sale from my thrifting adventures. But without further ado, let's hop into this unboxing, which I'm super duper excited about because I have been waiting for this since like last week. It just came in the mail. So this is something that, if you guys have been watching my previous unboxings that I've done of late, which you guys totally should, I'm gonna have them linked. I have been obsessed with one thing and one thing only, and that is Chanel wallets. So I have been on the hunt looking for them, and I have just been scouring the internet because, you guys, I haven't been thrifting. I haven't gone out to go thrifting in weeks. All the videos about thrifting that have gone up have been our older videos, so I pre-filmed those, and I'm just like jonesing for some thrifting. And to kind of alleviate that, I have been just scouring the internet for deals. And I don't know what obsession I have with Chanel wallets. I just think they're so gorgeous, and I love finding them at like amazing deals. And these two kind of just popped out of nowhere. Oh, I already told you there's two. Well, there's two. A seller was selling both of them, and they gave me an amazing deal. Okay, so straight out of the box, here is one Chanel box, and here's the other. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Okay, so we have a double Chanel unboxing right now. Let's do the smaller one first because it doesn't have any like ribbon on it. So here we go. There's the dust bag. So this person actually purchased these items from Fashion File. That's why they have the Fashion File dust bag. Let's take this out together. There it is. Oh my gosh. This one's gorgeous. This is a metallic silver Chanel wallet. And I love the hardware on it. It's so pretty. Love it. Open it up. Oh, there's the inside. It comes with all of like the little tags and stuff from Fashion File. It has the little certificate thing. It has the Chanel card, the authenticity card. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. There's a little serial number right there. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. This wallet is gorgeous. I'm so excited! There is like a little bit of like wear on the leather, but that always happens, especially with metallics. But I still think that it is still gorgeous. It's a beautiful lambskin, and it's gorgeous. This is, it's almost like a 3/4 size. So, that is amazing. I'm so excited. Can't wait to see the next one. Okay, so this one, first one. And then now let's open this one, which is more exciting because it has a ribbon, and anything that you have to like open and it takes a little bit more work is always a little bit more exciting. So, there we go. It also has the Fashion File dust bag, but it also does come with the Chanel dust bag as well, which is very nice. So let's open this baby up. Oh my gosh. And here we go with, this is another metallic Chanel wallet. This is another lambskin. This one is a little bit different from the first one. It has like this cool, like, it's a quilted Chanel logo, and it's like striped with different types of with different colored leather. So it's like a beige, there's a pink, a taupe, and what is it? Pink, gold, taupe, green. It's really pretty. I don't know if it's coming up. There you go. I think that's a good representation. Beautiful, right? Let's open this guy up. Ooh, and then here is all of the little authentic, like the cards from Fashion File. Just gonna stick that inside the zipper pocket. This one is beautiful. Now they said that this one did, the sticker did come off on this one, but again it was like authenticated by Fashion File and everything. So there's the interior, a beautiful light pink, gorgeous. Now this one, this first one, I don't think has as much wear. It definitely doesn't have as much wear as this one, and I feel like this one I would just kind of keep as is, just because it's so gorgeous as is already. This one does have some marks on it. You can see that on the leather, like the silver part, there's like some marks and scratches, and there's definitely wear in the middle as well, where there's the different leathers. So I feel like this one would be really kind of fun to do some sort of handbag rehab, painting, something. I think it would be super duper fun. I don't know if we're gonna be able to, like, we might be able to repaint it a different silver. I don't know how well we're going to be able to match this silver. But we're definitely going to do a cleaning to see how much we can clean these. And how much we can restore them. Before we're going to go ahead and decide what we're going to do with them. So, though I think this one will need a more intense rehab than the others. So, these are the two wallets that I bought. And then I also bought 3 more Chanel wallets. If you guys didn't see those videos, I'm just going to show you guys right now if you guys wanted to see. I also bought this little compact wallet. Gorgeous. Really, really cute. I love this one a lot. Then I did also get this little Chanel card holder that I love in black lambskin with silver hardware. This one was actually from a subscriber, which is awesome. I found it. I found them on Mercari, and they like knew who I was. It was so crazy. So thank you again for this wallet. I love it. They actually repainted this wallet. It used to be yellow, and they repainted it black. And they actually didn't do too bad of a job. Like, they did a good job. So I'm pretty excited about it. I might keep it like this, or I might repaint it. I'm not 100% certain yet. I do love the original yellow, and I just like kind of want to dye it yellow, or paint it yellow, not dye it, paint it yellow again. So we shall see, because I do have a black Chanel wallet already. That's a card wallet, but it has a different kind of logo. And then the other thing that I got is this beautiful pink quilted Chanel wallet. It is stunning. I love this wallet so much. It's so pretty. And then this one also came with a certificate of authenticity, and beautiful. It's in really great shape, actually. So, oh my gosh. So we have 3 Chanel zip around wallets, all different styles. I'm like Chanel'd out right now. Like, this is crazy. So here are our 3 Chanel zip around wallets, and then we have our other 2 black wallets. So yeah, we're gonna be doing some fun things with these wallets coming up very, very soon. So let me know what you guys want to see. But we're gonna definitely be doing cleanings and trying to like restore them to how they were. It might be kind of fun to like try to restore this back to kind of like how it might have looked originally. Yeah, so that should be a lot of fun, and I am really excited. I love a good project, and I haven't had like an intense project in a while, so I cannot wait. But that is gonna be the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing. If you guys did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to say hi down below in the comments, especially if you guys are new to the channel. Welcome. I'm so happy to have you guys here. I'm going to link those other unboxings as well. And ooh, if you guys also have not yet seen my sister's painting of this bag right here, go check it out. It's amazing. Follow her on Instagram. She may or may not be starting a separate channel herself, or she might we might insert her into this channel. But we have a lot of fun stuff planned, and more videos are in the works. So I cannot wait to share that all with you guys. So anyway, love you guys so much. Don't forget to check out today's other video. It went up at 11, and tomorrow's new video is up bright and early at 7 a.m. Love you guys so much. I'll see you guys all in the next video. Alright, bye!